In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on captions in Google Meet. If you want to make your meetings easier to follow, turning on captions is a great option. Live captions can help you understand what's being said more clearly, especially in noisy environments, during long meetings, or when audio quality isn't perfect. Google Meet makes this feature simple to access, and I'll walk you through exactly where to find it. First, while you're in your Google Meet session, look for the three dots. This is the More Options menu, and it's usually located in the Meeting Controls area. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the menu. This section gives you access to several meeting settings and tools, including the caption options we need. Once the menu opens, click on Settings. This will take you into the area where you can adjust different parts of your Google Meet experience. If you don't see everything right away, just take a moment to look through the available sections. Inside Settings, click on Captions. This is the section specifically designed for subtitle and caption preferences. If you've never opened it before, this is where you'll be able to manage how captions appear during your meeting. Next, click on Live Captions. Turning this on allows Google Meet to automatically display spoken words on the screen in real time. After enabling it, captions should begin appearing during the conversation as people speak. Keep in mind that captions work best when speakers talk clearly and use a stable microphone connection. Below that, you can customize how the captions look. Google Meet gives you options to adjust the font size, style, color, and background color. This is especially helpful if you want the captions to be easier to read or better suited to your screen and viewing preferences. For example, you may prefer a larger font for visibility or a different background color for stronger contrast. Take a moment to choose the settings that feel most comfortable for you. Small visual changes can make a big difference, especially if you use captions regularly in meetings, classes, or presentations. And that's it. Once live captions are turned on and customized, you'll be able to follow along more easily during your Google Meet calls. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.